Welcome to episode 6 of JANTEK Windows, How Windows Are Made series. My name is Kellen, and in this episode we are going to see JANTEK Windows final assembly process, which includes the packaging of the windows for delivery. In the window glazing episode, we saw how JANTEK assembles its high-performance, energy-efficient triple or double pane glass units into the SASH frames. So now let's take a look at how those glazed SASH frames are assembled into the master frame. To create the completed window, which is then placed in a protective packaging and forwarded to the shipment department. The final assembly process begins with the glazed sash being assembled into the master frame. Next, the cam locks and keeps are installed on the window meeting rails. JANTEK windows are designed with 2 cam locks for added security and structural strength. The window is then inspected and test operated. After the window is complete, the required Energy Star NFRC label, which provides the certified product number and energy performance information for each window, is attached to the glass surface. It is a temporary easy peel label. Per Energy Star requirements, the label must be placed on the window and removed only by the customer after the window is installed. For more on understanding the NFRC label, take a look at our video titled How to Compare the Energy Performance of Replacement Windows Using NFRC Factors. At JANTEK, we take pride in being an Energy Star partner. All of our windows and patio doors are designed to be among the best to save you energy and capture comfort. All of our products are tested at independent laboratories under the jurisdiction of the National Fenestration Rating Council, which certifies the windows for compliance to the U.S. Department of Environmental Protection's Energy Star program. With the NFRC label in place, the window is forwarded to the packaging area where any smudges or fingerprints that may occur during the manufacturing process are cleaned from the glass and frame surfaces. Cardboard corners are applied and secured in place at each of the 4 corners of the window to protect it from scuffing or damage during shipping or transportation to the job site. So I hope you have found this episode of How Windows Are Made informative. I invite you to check out other videos in JANTEK's How Windows Are Made series. You will find links to the series and many more videos that will give you helpful information on replacement window and patio door project planning, energy savings, pricing, and how to compare brands and types, and a lot more. If you are watching the video on YouTube and found it informative, give us a like and drop us a comment. We would love to hear feedback and we'll answer any questions you may have. Again, my name is Kellen with JANTEK Industries, and always remember to save energy and capture comfort. We'll see you next time.